So basically what I'll be taking your machines too. Okay, this is your new syllabus which we had framed. If you are not cannot observe, you just tell me. Okay. Uh, so what will I'll take is your module 3 and module 4. Three-phase induction motor, and module 4 is single-phase induction motor and special electrical machines. Okay. So all these things, notes and all, will just share in the Google Classroom only. So please join that Google Classroom. No extra mail will be given. If you are joining the Google Classroom and I am posting on the Google Classroom anything, you will automatically receive. Okay, textbooks, what you can do is again same thing. I'll tell you to refer PS Bhimra only. So for three-phase induction motor, you have to refer this one, electrical machinery by PS Bhimra. You will get your three-phase induction motor over here. And for your module 4, single phase induction motor and special electromechanical devices, you have to go for your second part, generalized theory of electrical machines. In the first part, that big fat book, green color cover, that doesn't cover your single phase induction motor. So the second book, which is a small one, red color cover, in that book you can find your generalized theory of electrical machines. Okay, you can also refer Ashfaq Hussain in that all the module 3, module 4, module 1, 2, everything is given in one single book, Ashfaq Hussain. Okay. Achha, see waiting room, somebody is in waiting room. Okay, admit all. Those who are joining, please type your roll number in the chat box, last 2 digits. Those who are joining late, that is for your attendance purpose. Please remember.
আপনি চ্যাট বক্সে 82 রোল নাম্বারটা দেখতে পেয়েছেন?
আরে আজকের দিনটা চাপ নিস না, আমি করে দেবো যা করার, ঠিক আছে? এই প্রসিডিওরটা মনে রাখিস। হ্যাঁ, স্যাররা যখন বলবে ইউ হ্যাভ টু টাইপ ইন চ্যাট বক্স। আজকের দিনটা ইজ ম্যানেজেবল। স্ক্রিনশট নেওয়া আছে আমার। হ্যাঁ, আই হ্যাভ টেকেন স্ক্রিনশট, নো নিড টু ওয়ারি। এটা ম্যানুয়ালি রেকর্ড করার থেকে এটা চ্যাটটা রেকর্ড হয়ে যাবে।
এই রেকর্ডিং গুলো কি আপনি কোথাও শেয়ার করে দেবেন, মানে পরে যদি দরকার হয়?
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, শেয়ার করে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, সেরকম হলে পরে দরকার হলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে পেয়ে যাবো।
I'll share it, no problem.
হ্যাঁ, আপনি স্যার এটা ইউটিউবে ভিডিও করে ছেড়ে দিতে পারেন, চ্যানেল করে, তাহলে পরে আমরা অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারবো।
যে কোনো সময় দরকার হলে দেখতে পাবো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, রেকর্ড করে।
ওটা মানে কয়েকটা ক্লাস হোক, তারপর একসাথে ছাড়বো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ, সেটা তো অসুবিধা নেই, 2-3টে ক্লাস পর পর একসাথে ছাড়লেন।
ঠিক আছে। অ্যাডমিট করি, এই তো ওয়েটিং রুম করা আছে না, এই জন্য অ্যাডমিট দেখাচ্ছে। আচ্ছা, টেক্সট বুক এটা ফলো করবে। হ্যাঁ, ভীমরা এটাই সবচেয়ে বেস্ট। সবকিছু অঙ্ক, এভরিথিং হোয়াট উইল স্টাডি আই উইল টিচ ইউ ফ্রম ভীমরা only. All things are very good in Bhimra, so you can follow Bhimra. Next subject which I'll be teaching is your power electronics. Okay, so in power electronics I'll be taking your module 2, phase control converters, which is basically a rectifier, which we are already studying, but we'll study different rectifier using thyristors and all. Same device, instead of diode we'll use a different device. Next, module 3, DC-DC choppers, converters, inverters, and module 4. So module 2, 3, 4 I'll take, and JS ma'am will take module 1. Module 2, module 3, module 4. Okay, and what book you can refer over here? Again, you have a power electronics by PS Bhimra. I'll tell you to refer this one only. PS Bhimra is very good. It will be good for your gate. But Bhimra gives in very much detail. So for an alternate option, you can check your number 3, MD Singh, Khanchandani. Okay, so number 3 and 4, which are given over here, textbooks, are your reference books. MD Singh, Khanchandani from TMH, and PS Bhimra for power electronics also. all these topics will be covered in these 2 books only. Some topics are good in PS Bhimra, some topics are good in MD Singh. MD Singh is little bit easy. If you read it, you can go through it in a flow. Little bit easy. Those who are joining late, type your roll number in the chat box. Okay. All these things I'll share in the Google Classroom. Now, this is my classroom which I had created for you.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো বলো tell me.
আপনার যে লিংকটা দিয়েছেন এই লিংকটা কি পাওয়ার ইলেকট্রনিক্স আর ইলেকট্রিক্যাল মেশিন দুটো ক্লাসেরই জন্য সেম লিংকেই ক্লাস হবে?
Now this is for this week. I am having a FDP from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. That's why I have to arrange. From next week, I'll change the link, different link. I'll give a different link,
Okay.
and that will be given in Google Classroom only. Okay.
Okay.
So see, if I'm just showing you my classrooms. What is my view? So electrical machines to 49 students have registered like this. Okay. So if I go to people, I'll get all these names who have registered over here. 49 students. Tell your friends also to register. If I am giving you some work, okay, suppose we can give you quizzes, we can take assignments through it. Now this time you don't have to worry about submitting your assignments to Tathagata or Shubhodip. You directly submit it in the classroom, it will come to me. Okay, so don't have to worry about whether you are submitting or wrong, whether you are reaching it, whether the assignments are reaching to me or not. You don't have to worry. If you submit in the classroom, it will automatically reach to me. It will be saved in the drive, so don't have to worry. So like this, I have created modules over here. You will not see anything like this now in your classroom, because if you see, students can only see topics with published posts. So under each topic, I will give some assignments and all, or questions, quizzes, which quizzes are mainly multiple choice or short answers. Okay, so you can submit your assignments, quizzes, everything over here only, and you will be automatically graded. All your grades will come over here into me. If I want to send you in quizzes, if you attempt the quiz, the multiple choice questions, automatically you can be graded. You can see your marks after each quiz. Okay, so it will be basically a Google form that will be sent to you, and you have to fill the form within the stipulated time. And I'll tell you, if I send the form also in one class, after the class I'll tell you that I have sent the form, please check your class. Or if I send anything, it will go to your mail also. Okay, check your mail details and deadlines over here on the left hand side. You will see if I've given any assignments, something will be given like upcoming. Some assignments are due. Okay, I've given some due date. Suppose I've given 3 days time over here. Waiting room, admit all. Those who are joining now, Roktim and all, write your roll number. Write your roll number in the chat box. Okay. Those who are joining late, write your roll number in the chat box. Up to 44 students I have taken screenshot. Now it is showing 48. You just write your roll number. Okay. Admit 49 students. So all assignments over here will be shown over. So many students. Admit the Kochi. Why you are not entering? Okay, so everything will be communicated over here. I can share my notes and all over here. I can add my file, syllabus, everything will be given. I think SD sir has given many things on his walls in Google Classroom. You have already observed, I think, if you have joined SD sir's class, like that will give over here. Okay. What you need to do. Next thing, I have class on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you see your routine, I think Monday is power electronics and Friday is power electronics. Okay, so what I will do is make it Monday and Wednesday electrical machines, and Thursday and Friday as power electronics, to keep a continuity. Okay, otherwise if I teach in Monday and then revise the same topic on Friday, you will not understand anything. So let it be Monday and Friday, Wednesday machines, and your sorry, Monday and Wednesday machines, and Thursday and Friday power electronics to maintain the continuity. Okay. Again waiting, admit all. Hey, Ruktim, enter call. I am giving you permission. You just enter. What is happening? This guy. Okay. Wait 1 second. People are. I'm admitting all. So still, why they can't enter? 49. Zoom anybody knows कि Zoom में কিছু limitations আছে 50 students বা 60 students above হয় না এরকম
হ্যাঁ স্যার একটা লিমিটেশন আছে
100 না এই রক্তিমকে অ্যাডমিট করছি 10 বার প্রায় অ্যাডমিট হয়ে গেছে আমি বারবার ক্যানট এন্টার মানে আবার অ্যাডমিট দেখাচ্ছে আবার অ্যাডমিট দেখাচ্ছে
ওটা ওর নেটের প্রবলেম হবে ওর নিতে পারছে না বারবার
তাহলে আর পারছি না অ্যাডমিট করতে অনেক ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা next thing what you need to do everybody I'll just go to this I'll tap to the right
স্যার একটা ডাউট স্যার এই মিটিংটা যে রেকর্ড হচ্ছে এটা কি কোথাও মানে লিংক পাঠানো হবে
হ্যাঁ এই মিটিংটা আমি পাঠিয়ে দেবো লিংক পাঠিয়ে দেবো ড্রাইভের লিংক পাঠিয়ে দেবো আমি তোমরা দেখে নিতে পারো ওকে
ওকে
আজকেরটা তো ক্লাস নেব না জাস্ট এটা জাস্ট ফ্যামিলিয়ারাইজ করার জন্য তোমাদের করছি কালকে থেকে ফুল ক্লাস শুরু করে দেবো আচ্ছা দেখো অ্যাডমিট দেখাচ্ছি আবার আচ্ছা what you do is one thing you have to do tomorrow what you do is you just create an account in multisim live online simulator multisim live online simulator okay if you go to this multisim.com okay you can log in over here sign up over here and create an account so that we can do some of the simulations of your power electronics okay machines doesn't have so many simulations so we can do some of the simulations of our power electronics so I have already an account over here okay from here you can build any circuit okay if you go to create circuit you can build any circuit over here and observe the simulation my prerequisite for tomorrow's classes means tomorrow is Thursday and Friday will take power electronics only you should go through transient analysis of circuit theory at your home if you have any circuit theory books or if you can refer any material on net go through transient analysis of RL series circuit RC series circuit and RLC series circuit okay go through transient analysis of all these three circuits very important because all these three circuits output behavior will be needed for you to study the operation of power electronic circuits your power electronics is basically circuit based we'll have many circuits and we need to understand the waveforms yeah software is free you just create an account multisim.com create an account we have a paid software in our college also but now we can't access that so that's why what we'll do you just create an account in multisim.com and you can create a circuit over here just for your knowledge I'm just telling you like you have done some PSpice simulations I think you have done why it is showing login wait 1 second
স্যার এই এনআই ইউজার অ্যাকাউন্টে এনআই কমিউনিটি ইউজার নেম চাই, ওটা কি দেব? ওটা যা খুশি দিয়ে যাবে?
Just log in, no problem. তুমি যা লগ ইন ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু লগ ইন থ্রু এনি, আমি এই নাম দিয়েছি মনে হয় তখন করেছিলাম, এই নাম দিয়েছি। এই দেখো এরা তো
হ্যাঁ,
অ্যাডমিট খুব লো ডিস্টার্ব করছে।
সাইন আপটা ক্লিক করেছি।
মাই প্রোফাইলে যাই, দেখো দেখি আমার কি আছে, আমি মনে নেই তখন করেছিলাম। দিস ইজ মাই প্রোফাইল নেম, হ্যাঁ, ইউজার অ্যাকাউন্ট নেম ঋত্বিক ভাজরা, so you can keep any name, okay, no problem, you can keep any name. Acha, if I go to, suppose I'm just showing you one thing, transient analysis of RLC DC circuit, okay. Everything which I am teaching now, next today's class, I'll conduct a quiz on this, okay. Please remember all things which I am teaching, all these things, how it is simulated and all. You have to understand, simulate it on your own, get the results. I'll show you again tomorrow how to do it, but just for today, enable waiting room, to eta bahut disturb korche, enable waiting room kothay gelo, settings kothay, বুঝতে পারছি না, নিচে করে থাকুক। Achha, this is a circuit which I have formed. Okay, you need a step voltage at your input. So if you go to the sources, see on the left hand side, if you bring the mouse over here, there is a source and there is a step voltage over here. So you can click on that step voltage, you will get this thing. You will get this thing. Okay, I'm just deleting this wire for your purpose. Next, this is a switch. If you go to your this one, switches, there is a single pole double throw switch. You can use this switch over here. What is a single pole? Means it has one fixed point. See, it has one fixed point, this point, S1 point, and it has throws either to this point, upper point, or this point, lower point. Okay, single pole double throw. If you check on this first one, SPST, single pole single throw, that means it can be one pole, one fixed point, one throw. It can be either on or off. Like if you remember transient analysis problems which we did in circuit theory, you could have remembered while doing problems there were two stages of the switch. One switch can be on, one switch can be off. Okay, and another thing, one switch can be connected to point A, one switch can be connected to point B. So see, this is single throw, double throw switch. Switch can be connected to point A, point B. Then you have a resistor, inductor. You can find your resistor, inductor over here under passive elements, resistor, inductor. If you click on this, bring your mouse over here, see there is a hammer sign over here that is used for drawing your wires. So you just complete your circuit, make all the necessary arrangements, how to do it. Okay, select the required values of R and L, select your required values by double clicking all this, you will get all these values. See the right hand side, VI initial level I want 0, final level I want 5, step time 0, price time I should give the minimum as possible. Okay, I have given all the values by double clicking this. Okay, you can click on this value also 1 ohm and increase it in its range, either decrease it by 0.1 and increase it by 10. If you do press at 10x, so it will see 10 mega ohm. If you decrease at like this at 0.1x, it will decrease. So I'll just keep it at 1 ohm only from my simulation. And next what we'll do, I'll just minimize this. Next, if you go to schematic, if you press on schematic, your image, this will come. The circuit which you have drawn is come. You have to press your ground also, because all SPICE circuits require a ground. Okay, so place this ground over here. No need to give any value. Values will be given for your source, resistance, inductance. Next, what we'll do is go to document. Over here, if you place on items, if you click on this, items value will be given. You can change your value over here also. See, inductance value, you can change over here. If you type U, that means only it takes it as mu over here. So if you next, what you do, you want to go to simulate. So simulate, you have to go to document, make this simulation settings as transient, nothing, not AC sweep, not DC operating. We are doing transient analysis. So go to your simulation settings, make it transient. Then keep your start time something, keep your end time something. It will depend all upon your circuit. This is what I have calculated. Then go to start simulation. So as soon as simulation starts, it will take your show your results over here. Now if I go to split, see after grapher there is a split. If you click on grapher, only graph will be shown. If you click on split, you can analyze the whole circuit in the together in a together manner. So if you understand your RL series circuit, what happens in DC transient when my switch is connected to this point, the upper point, it is connected directly to the source. So inductor acts as short circuit. No, sorry, inductor acts as short circuit. So inductor acts as open circuit. Na? Initially inductor is open circuit. So current flowing through this circuit is 0. So it is 0. And finally, if it is short circuit, current flowing through this is V by R. So 5 by 1, it should be 5. It is almost close to 5 ohms. Okay, 5 amperes. So 4.9382 amperes. Okay, if you bring your mouse over here, you can get the values. And what happens when it discharges? That means S1, this S1 point is connected to this lower one, grounded. So inductor discharges through this ground, through this resistor. So it will exponentially decrease. So it is exponentially decreasing. Okay. All these calculations what we have done, if you check your this time 0 seconds, 6 microseconds. Can anybody tell me why I have taken 6 microseconds over here? Why not anything else?
At a minimum, that's the minimum time required, because after that it will reach the stable condition.
I don't have waveforms. I don't have waveform. I have my value of RL and I am giving a value over here. On time is 0.
Time constant er value 4th time ho jaye.
This is what I want to answer. But remember, that is not 4. When you what is time constant? Time constant, if you increase the value in that multiple, it will reach the steady state, right? 0.632 times of the steady state value is time constant. So if you check over here, see 1 by 1, 1 microsecond by 1 microhenry by 1. And if you increase the time constant 5 to 6 times, it generally reaches steady state. So 1 by 1 into 6 I have done. 6 times I have taken. So 6 microseconds. 6 times. So see, 6 times he had increased. It has reached steady state 4.932. So my assumption is correct. You can't keep it 3. So it will be around 4. Okay, if you keep this off time as 3, so your circuit will stop over here, then it will discharge like this. So you have to make this simulation according to your understanding. Okay, all depends upon your time constant. And next thing again, same thing what I have done is how much time I'll run. 13 microseconds. So it's an average I am taking, that if it takes 6 microseconds to charge, I'll take at 6 microseconds to discharge. That is my concept, what I did.
6 plus 6 12.
6 plus 6 12. So I have taken an extra time, see 13 microseconds. See at 13 microseconds it is almost 0. That is what I take. If I take the charging time constant and I double it, I can get your discharging time constant. So I will simulate it up to 13 microseconds. You can simulate it in the next cycle also. But we need 1 cycle only. This is how you get your all your analysis. You can take every moment over here, means you can at this moment what is my values. Okay, this type of questions I'll give in quiz. You need to simulate this circuit and check what are its values. I'll give you at 8 microseconds what is the value of current, what is the value of voltage, See, current ammeter, this is the ammeter A. If my meeting ends, join with the same link. Okay, join with the same link. See, there is a first one, there is an analysis and annotation, voltage, current and all. Okay, so you can use this. If you are measuring voltage, remember, if you are measuring current, ammeter should be connected in series. See, ammeter is connected in series. I have placed anywhere. You can place it over here also. No problem. Series current will be same. But don't place it near the source, because it will show one time maximum current, another time 0. Because once this switch is connected to source, once it is connected to ground. You can check your source current also. So during the first cycle, it will show some constant current. Next cycle, it will be 0. You have to check your load current only. So I've connected an ammeter over here. So what you need to do next, if you connect a voltage over here, don't use this voltage and current over here. You can check it. I did not check it. You can check it what happens if you connect over here. You use a voltage source, voltage polarity like this. Over here at the top terminal, you use a voltage probe at the top terminal like this. And since voltage is connected across, and you use a reference. So reference should be connected at the ground. Then you can get your voltage at the output. Okay. So that you can do it and check. You can change your names over here also. If you click on this ID is PR1, you can change it as load current I0. And if you do this, see the I0 is changed as the PR1. And if you do the simulation, if you give each name to the probes, then it will be very easy for you to understand. See, this green line means I0, the current through IL1, the current through the inductor. So make it a practice to change the names. Check the names what you are giving over here. Okay. So this is how we simulate a circuit. You can do any circuit over here. You can simulate a diode rectifier also. If you go to diodes, there are diodes over here. You can simulate a diode rectifier and check the output waveforms. We'll do that one also, but no thyristor is given. I can show you thyristor simulation. That I'll show you in MATLAB. You can practice that. If you have MATLAB, practice that. If you don't have, this is an online thing, so I can give a question over there. Anybody can access. If you don't have MATLAB, then you can't access that. So we'll keep this transient analysis as this first week. Means this tomorrow and next day we'll keep transient analysis and introduction to power electronics. Means what are the circuits we'll study, what are the topics we are going to do the simulations, and how some Patavata was telling me books are not available, something. So I have downloaded all the PDF forms of the books of the power electronics and your machines Bhimra also. So I'll send you.
Sir, our attendance.
স্যার এগুলো কোথা থেকে পেলেন?
কোনটা?
এই পিডিএফ ফর্ম গুলো বইয়ের?
বইয়ের ওই কি ইজি ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং
লিংকটা সেন্ড করবেন তো?
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, লিংকও শেয়ার করে দেবো আমি, গুগলে শেয়ার করবো। হ্যাঁ, ক্লাসরুমে।
ঠিক আছে,
তোকে একটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দেবো পার্সোনালি। I have downloaded everything. I'll give you, and I'll share you the link also from where I have downloaded all these books and all. You can get it from there also. If you need any books, all books are available. Control system, power system, anything you want, you can download the books, because now it is problem for you also to get the books. So you can get the e-books and study them. They have just taken the cam scanner photos of every page and given. I have gone through the pages. You can understand clearly. They have taken nice photos on them. No problem. I've taken checked the pages, many of the pages, not all like I could check, but I have checked all those pages. Okay, so tomorrow what we'll do, we'll study about transient analysis, RL, RC, RLC circuit, and we'll do some simulations over here and check whether our results are coming same or not for analysis. And on Friday what we'll do, we'll study about the power electronic circuits, what circuits are there, means rectifier, inverters, choppers, how those are classified and why those are made. We'll study their significance. And remember that I told this week record also. I think it is being recorded. This week, from next week, I'll send you. Don't write. From this week, I'll send you new meeting IDs. Okay, for the classes. For this week, the same meeting ID. For tomorrow also same meeting ID. For Friday also same meeting ID. Okay. You need to join same meeting ID. No need to send roll number again or record হয়ে গেছে। আর roll number পাঠাস না, ওটা আগেরটা recorded ছিল, কোনো অসুবিধা হবে না। Nothing will. It's already chat box is already recorded, and anything more. ঠিক আছে, আপাতত up to this is okay. You just go through your transient analysis. Just go through your transient analysis. I'll explain it very fast tomorrow. So I am telling you to go through transient analysis once. Means why this nature is coming, why this nature is coming, exponential form. Please go through it. Why not straight line? Okay, so go through that. Okay, so tomorrow 9 o'clock and next day 9 o'clock. Because I am having a FDP, sorry for that. I have shifted the class to 9 o'clock. Here with that. From next week, we will have the classes according to our routine only. Okay. So I am